Jatend migawo mar thieth Aden Duale owacho mondo non kuonde thieth duto mapacho ka maneno gi luwo chike madwarore. Ka oromo kod apisas ma Clinical Council e apise, onyisogi mondo gitim machiegni kod riwruok mar KMPDC mondo giyud lesen mag tich. Magi timore kaluwore kod ywak ma Clinical Council osebedogo kagolo ewi yango tijegi makare.
All these facilities to be respected again. It is a good thing for you. You must respect all the facilities. And do a constant check. The CEO, you must go and sit with the CEO of the other council. And you must find a way of working. There's no way his inspection team can deny a facility and you give the license. No way. We will not accept it. Because he will also bring his report, inspection report to us. So if we see your two regulatory bodies reports are contradicting, you are a regulatory body, am I right? Yes. Under the Ministry of Health. Yes.